Hi, so I'm on my lunch break and I usually don't stay in the afternoon, but today I have to stay in the afternoon because the intern asked me to. And usually I eat cheap, but I have to eat at the hospital cafeteria, so I eat one overpriced salad. I'm eating this is €6 and मेरा जो मैं पूरा खा जाऊंगी, मतलब पूरा पैसा वसूल करना है मुझे. Live footage of me giving up on that fork because... For context, a few of us have been selected by our college based on our marks in the past 3 years to be sent on an international elective to Lille, France, and I am posted in the gastroenterology department. And I've been here for 2 weeks now, and I have 2 weeks more to go of this particular elective. And I have decided to document how a typical 1.5 day looks like for me in Lille. Last week in my elective, I was mostly doing something very similar to how wards are there in India. So I was going on rounds and checking up on patients for the past 1 week, and we see a lot of interesting cases here. I saw mostly etiologies that were non-infective. I saw a lot of cases of IBD, a lot of cases of cirrhosis, and learned a lot more. This week, I'm posted in the chemotherapy and infusion unit, wherein we follow up on patients who are on immunotherapy currently. This is me going back home to my Airbnb after my day of posting. I usually just take the metro for one station and then I take the bus, which takes about half an hour in total. And while I do so, I just talk to my mom or I call my friends back at home. I'm recording a vlog, okay? I feel very awkward recording with people. What's up? So, these two guys are asleep. Anirudh just came home and he's making Maggie for himself for lunch. They bought eggs and bread and they bought bananas. हम दोनों को नींद नहीं आ रही तो हम पढ़ाई करेंगे. Our exams start in a month, so whatever free time I do get, I try to study as much as I can, either at home or there's this cute library as well that we usually go. We don't go that often, but huh. And other than that, I also exercise either at home or I go for a run in this really cute park that's around because there's no gym here. I had just woken up from like a 10-20 minute nap and I saw all these guys. So usually this is the time we utilize to update each other about our days and the cases we saw or stuff like that. ये लोग apparently onion और curd भी लाए. 1 kg curd. Curd सुन के. Every day evening we go out for some reason, but I was finishing off my chumpy because I need to take a head bath the next day. हम बाहर जा रहे हैं क्योंकि हम यूजुअली बस बाहर जाते हैं. तो हमको बोला ट्राम में ले जाएगा, फिर 2 मिनट बाद बोला गाइस घर पे रहता है. एक्चुअली मैं तेरे को अपना ऑयल सुंगवाऊंगी पूरा रात. गो बेटा. ठीक है, हो गया. दिन में 4 बार कैरफोर आ जाते हैं, पकोड़े खाते हैं. ओ टाइम क्या हो रहा है गाइस? 8:53 हो रहा है. The bus wasn't coming, so we just decided to run back home. ఈ రోజు మేము దోశ వేసుకుంటున్నాం.
कितना डाल दिया इस पे?
आधा.
गाइस इससे बना सकते हैं.
हाँ, इसी से बनाएंगे.
Foil is there, no?
No, that's not foil. Sagar when he strains. Do a wow. Wow करना wow.
वाओ.
एकदम. No, we don't want to die.
We need to put more, bro. Put more. That is not enough. Oh, that is not enough. Why are you putting like
Why?
that?
Because we don't eat that much butter, yeah.
Bro, at least first we need to lubricate the pan.
So, क्या? चल. भाई क्या क्वेश्चनेबल क्या देख रहे हो तुम लोग? Yabara.
Now we are so burning.
Onion.
Musro. Shoulder, clavicle. Shoulder replacement. What is Sriya doing?
I'm vlogging to tell them that हम खाने पे भी खाने की बात करते हैं. अभी डिनर खत्म हुआ तो सोच रहे कल डिनर में क्या बनेगा, कल लंच पे ये घर आएगा कि नहीं. Next level खाना.
Wow! Bro, I'm washing.
After the dishes are done, phone time करेंगे और Netflix देखेंगे. कल की सब शक्ल मेरे को नहीं मारना, मैंने व्लॉग करना शुरू कर दिया. मैं नहीं मार रही छुट्टी. Woke up, he made his breakfast and he's eating also. Anirudh left, no? Anirudh has to go at 7. We can go a little late, but we're too late today. This is my journal, my white coat, this one, my wallet, passport and my little camera. I'll be carrying ortho today, rough notebook and my card. Let's go. Late हो गया, but I can go a little late. He said you can come at 9 or 9:30. Anything works. I said okay, fine. I'll come at 9:30. Matchy. Gloss. Dookies. मौसम अच्छा है. So we got a little late that day, but the bus came and we made it in time. That particular day was a little slow in my posting because I told you I was posted in the immunotherapy unit.
Du Pentasa en sachet.
We did not see a lot of patients. I saw one patient with ulcerative colitis. So then the next day I asked my in charge to change my unit. So the next day I was in endoscopy and I saw so many endoscopies. I saw Whipple's disease, I saw pyloric stenosis, I saw colonic cancer. I know I sound excited. These are all morbid, but I'm just glad that I learned a lot. My umbrella doesn't open completely and it's absolutely raining and मेरे को एकदम cry आ रहा है क्योंकि 2 reasons. Number 1, Dhoni was in Paris 2 days after we left Paris. Number 2, I didn't see any patient today. Bhai Bhagwan listens to everyone because my umbrella just opened. So we saw one patient, as I said. He had ulcerative colitis. He was on vedolizumab and 5-ASA, which is mesalamine. So I just had to read up about those medicines. Then we checked the patient to see if he had any adverse effects. A little bit about the hospital system here. It's actually very similar to what I experienced in Bahrain with my mother. There is a lot of focus on patient care, individualized care, and doctors really spend a lot of time with patients. Their English, the French English is, the medical French is very, very similar to English. They just add an IE at the end. For example, endoscopy becomes endoscopy, and MRI becomes IRM, and PET becomes step scan. मैं घर आते ही पानी गिरा दी. आज इतना गंदा दिन चल रहा है ना, पोहा खाऊंगी.
I can't select. See, they give me the roster.
No, I like your secretary. My secretary doesn't even understand English.
I was asking him the same thing.
Yeah.
He will think it's something and he try to mix and match.
Yeah.
It's like little come like pixelated. But
Okay. That was your gaming username idea?
मैं भी अपने मम्मा को यही क्लिक कर रही थी कि हाँ बस कुछ खाने को नहीं बचा.
क्या खाएगी? क्या बना रही है? तू ब्लॉग को दिखा. Light up Sketcher. Light up my. यार मेरे भूख का अंत ही नहीं है. There is no. Drops are coming so nicely in my phone.
you open the window, then more nicely drops will come. You go
No.
out, it will come outside. सही है भाई.
रिकॉर्ड कर रही हो क्या तुम अभी?
हाँ.
बड़ा फोटो करो. भाई प्लीज चपरी बन के नहीं जाना है.
क्या किया?
अपना कार्ड भूल गई। कार्ड दिखा। मेस कार्ड में
ट्रैवल
बस कार्ड भूल गई। अब मैं थोड़ा सा इलीगली ट्रैवल करूँगी बस आज। मैं कैमरा ला गया कार्ड भूल गई। वो मिलेगा 0.3% कट।
He asked me, is this school mitochondria?
So we went to our favorite place, Gombetta. We got Navya's money exchanged for her. Then we went to this Indian store to restock our groceries with all these ready-made items. And then we again went to Carrefour as usual. Cucumber और capsicum और
2 ले लेते हैं।
कुकुम्बर बड़े लंबे है इधर। चीज बड़ी है मस्त मस्त। तो मुझे फ्लोर पे एक पास मिला which was we thought of having dinner outside, which is why we're here in Old Lille to try this new Napolitan pizza.
I've never watched.
Jabbimat is awesome movie, bro.
Jabbimat दिखा दे।
It's the only Hindi film I know.
We have become so money conscious कि we got happy क्योंकि पानी free है।
I don't have myself
Food conversation doesn't stop only even now while eating food. We are searching after eating food. We will only search for food. What is this best fries in Lille?
Yes, which we already went to.
But you didn't get.
Closed. We got shooed away.
Merci beaucoup.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye. Oh, the cheese.
It's too oily.
So we gave in to our urges.
Bhai,
कैसा है? क्या है?
too good.
Describe.
Praline and cream and vanilla.
How's the upper one?
Vanilla, caramel.
Vanilla, caramel and brownie.
Thank you. एक इंडियन अंकल मिल गए आइसक्रीम शॉप में। अंकल दिल्ली से थे और मजा आ गया। हाँ बात कर लिया हमने। अरे अनिरुद्ध अंकल का एज गेस करना। तो अनिरुद्ध क्या करता है जब भी हमें कोई बच्चा दिखता है इस ट्रिप पे he tries to guess the age.
ये एक्सपेक्ट कर रही है मेरे को कि मैं इसको हाथ से खाने दूंगी श्रिया। तो फोक से खाओ ना, हाथ से क्यों खाना है?
हाथ से खाओ भाई।
चावल नहीं है भाई ये।
Just bend all of it into one and finish it off.
That's what I want to eat with.
नहीं हाथ से नहीं। I think you should learn.
Lick that off, whatever chocolate is there.
Cheese.
We found another two Indians and we talked to them and they were from Christ and he's from Bangalore. He still didn't talk to them. So much पता नहीं किस में डालना चाहिए इसलिए मैंने दोनों में डाल दिया।
That's what he said.
नहीं comfort is for smell.
Is it?
हाँ।
Comfort is for smell.
वो सॉफ्ट क्लोथ्स के लिए नहीं होता?
नहीं
मेरी मम्मा तो सॉफ्ट क्लोथ्स के लिए डालती है।
Finger nose.